Hello everyone. Today we will explore a powerful and highly practical product for welding tasks, the MMA160PRO welder. With a power output of 160 amps and many outstanding features, this is the perfect choice for every welder. With the hot start feature, the MMA160PRO welder enables quick arc ignition, automatically increasing the welding current from 50 to 100 amps, providing a stable and easy weld point, even when working with damp electrodes or rough surfaces. When the electrode sticks to the material, the MMA160PRO's automatic arc force feature adjusts the arc force, ensuring a stable welding process without electrode sticking, resulting in smooth welds. With its anti-shock feature, the MMA160PRO ensures your safety in all working conditions, especially in wet environments. The no-load voltage is reduced to 19 to 22 volts, minimizing the risk of electric shock. The MMA160PRO offers a working efficiency of up to 60% at a welding current of 160 amps, allowing you to work continuously for 6 minutes without worrying about overheating. It is the ideal tool for welding tasks in industrial and construction environments. With its durable design, the MMA160PRO features a blue electrostatic paint coating that protects the machine from oxidation and corrosion. The APS handle and 8-corner protective plastic casing ensure stability and easy mobility, making it suitable for all working conditions.